Welcome to the fascinating world of autumn leaf color change. Every year, temperate regions around the world experience a spectacular natural display as leaves transform from green to vibrant colors. This remarkable transformation occurs annually in regions with distinct seasonal changes. As summer transitions to autumn, leaves shift from their familiar green to spectacular reds, oranges, and yellows. While many people enjoy this beautiful natural display, there's fascinating science behind why this change occurs. What exactly causes this dramatic seasonal transformation in leaf color? Let's explore the science behind autumn's colorful display. The distinctive green color of leaves during spring and summer is due to a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the most abundant pigment in leaves during the growing season. When we look at a leaf, we're primarily seeing chlorophyll molecules, which give leaves their characteristic green appearance. Chlorophyll's remarkable property is its ability to selectively absorb different wavelengths of light. It absorbs red and blue light while reflecting green light. This selective absorption of red and blue wavelengths is what makes leaves appear green to our eyes. We see the reflected green light. But chlorophyll's importance goes far beyond color. Its primary role is to capture light energy for photosynthesis, the process that converts sunlight into chemical energy. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll harnesses the energy from absorbed light to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process is essential for plant survival, making chlorophyll the most important pigment during the growing season. Without it, plants couldn't produce the energy they need to grow and thrive. As summer transitions to fall, the role of chlorophyll begins to change, revealing other pigments that have been present all along. When we think of autumn leaves, we see vibrant yellows, oranges, and reds. But where do these colors come from? Leaves contain multiple pigments throughout the year, but most of these colors are masked by the dominant green chlorophyll. Let's explore the main types of pigments that create fall's colorful display. Carotenoids are yellow and orange pigments that are present in leaves throughout the year. They help with photosynthesis by capturing light energy and also protect leaves from damage caused by excess light. Common carotenoids include beta-carotene, which creates yellow colors, and xanthophylls, which create orange hues. Unlike carotenoids, anthocyanins are produced primarily in autumn. They create vibrant reds and deep purples in leaves. These pigments act as a natural sunscreen, protecting leaf cells as they recover nutrients during fall. Anthocyanins are particularly visible in maple, dogwood, and sumac trees, creating their brilliant autumn displays. As autumn progresses and chlorophyll breaks down, the once hidden pigments are finally revealed. The balance of different pigments creates the spectacular range of colors we associate with fall. The hidden pigments of leaves create nature's most colorful seasonal display, revealing colors that were there all along, just waiting for their moment to shine. Environmental triggers play a crucial role in autumn leaf color change. As autumn approaches, two main environmental factors trigger leaf color change: shorter daylight hours and cooler temperatures. Days become shorter, with the sun setting earlier each day, reducing the amount of daylight trees receive. Simultaneously, temperatures gradually cool down, especially at night. These environmental changes serve as reliable signals, telling trees that winter is approaching. In response, trees begin shutting down their food production process in the leaves, preparing for winter dormancy. While both temperature and daylight are important, day length, known as photoperiod, is the most reliable signal for trees. Day length is the most reliable environmental cue for trees to begin preparing for winter. Unlike temperature, which can fluctuate unpredictably, day length changes consistently each year, providing trees with a dependable calendar. This reliable photoperiod signal is what primarily triggers the beginning of the leaf color change process each autumn. The abscission process is how trees prepare to shed their leaves. Trees form a specialized layer of cells at the base of each leaf stem, known as the abscission zone. This specialized layer consists of thin-walled cells that form a cork-like separation layer. As these cells develop, they gradually sever the vascular connections between the leaf and the tree branch. This cork-like layer effectively blocks the flow of nutrients and water between the leaf and the tree. Without nutrients, the leaf can no longer maintain or produce chlorophyll, which begins to break down. As chlorophyll disappears, the yellow, orange, and red pigments that were always present in the leaf become visible. Eventually, the abscission layer completely separates the leaf from the branch, allowing it to fall from the tree. The intensity and duration of autumn colors aren't constant from year to year. Several key factors influence how vibrant and long-lasting the fall display will be. There are three primary factors that determine autumn color intensity: temperature, light conditions, and moisture levels. Temperature plays a crucial role in fall color development. The ideal conditions include cool nights that are above freezing, which slow down chlorophyll breakdown without damaging leaf tissues. When nights drop below freezing too early, leaves can be killed before their full color potential is reached. Conversely, consistently warm weather throughout fall tends to produce less vibrant colors. Light conditions significantly impact fall color intensity. Bright, sunny days encourage the production of red and purple anthocyanins, while also helping to break down chlorophyll. Extended cloudy periods result in less vibrant colors. The shortening days of autumn also serve as a signal to trees to begin preparing for winter, triggering the color change process. Water conditions throughout the growing season and into autumn also play a significant role in color development. Drought stress before autumn can delay the onset of color change. Moderate rainfall throughout the growing season generally leads to the most vibrant autumn colors. However, excessive rainfall can actually dilute pigment concentration, resulting in less intense colors. The most spectacular autumn displays occur when conditions align perfectly. This means warm, sunny days that allow trees to continue photosynthesis and produce sugars needed for anthocyanin production. Combined with cool but not freezing nights, adequate moisture levels, and a gradual temperature decline, these conditions allow leaves to display their full range of colors before dropping. Understanding these factors helps explain why autumn colors vary in intensity from year to year and even from one location to another within the same region. Different tree species produce distinct autumn colors. Oaks typically turn brown or russet due to their high tannin content. Maples are famous for their vibrant reds and oranges, thanks to abundant anthocyanin pigments. Aspens and birches display golden yellow colors from carotenoid pigments. Dogwoods develop distinctive purplish-red hues from a combination of anthocyanins and tannins. These species-specific colors create the beautiful patchwork effect we see in diverse autumn forests. The colors we see are determined by the specific types and amounts of pigments each species produces. Carotenoids produce yellow to orange colors, anthocyanins create reds and purples, while tannins contribute browns and russets. The balance of these pigments in each species creates nature's autumn palette, turning forests into a spectacular display of colors. The annual cycle of leaf color change and leaf drop is not just a beautiful spectacle, it's a sophisticated evolutionary adaptation. One of the primary reasons trees shed their leaves is water conservation. During winter, when soil is frozen, water uptake is limited. By dropping leaves, trees significantly reduce water loss through transpiration. Trees that keep their leaves year-round face the challenge of managing water loss in winter conditions. Another advantage is protection from winter damage. Leaves are vulnerable to freezing temperatures, which can cause cell rupture and tissue death. By shedding leaves before severe frost, trees protect themselves from the structural damage that can occur when ice forms inside leaf tissues. Leaf drop also serves as a form of pest control. Many insects and pathogens overwinter on leaves, laying eggs or producing spores. By shedding leaves, trees remove habitat and food sources for these pests, disrupting their life cycles and reducing infestation in the following growing season. Recent research suggests additional benefits of red leaf pigments. Anthocyanins, which give leaves their red color, may serve multiple important functions. One theory proposes that red coloration acts as a warning signal to insect pests, similar to how bright colors warn of toxicity in the animal kingdom. Another hypothesis suggests these pigments protect leaves during the critical period of nutrient recovery, extending the time trees have to reabsorb valuable nutrients before shedding their leaves. The evolutionary adaptation of leaf color change and seasonal leaf drop has developed over millions of years as trees adapted to Earth's changing climate conditions. This strategy emerged gradually, becoming common among deciduous trees after the evolution of flowering plants. By the time of the dinosaur extinction, many modern tree families had already developed this survival mechanism. In summary, leaf color change and leaf drop represent sophisticated evolutionary adaptations that have helped deciduous trees thrive in seasonal environments for millions of years. Climate change is significantly affecting autumn leaf displays worldwide. Rising global temperatures are shifting the timing and duration of fall colors. In many regions, autumn color displays now begin up to 2 weeks later than they did in the 1980s. The traditional autumn color calendar is changing as warmer temperatures extend into the fall months. What was once a predictable seasonal transition is becoming more variable and less reliable. The effects of climate change on fall foliage vary by region. Some areas are experiencing delayed color changes, while others see less vibrant displays due to stress from extreme weather events. Drought-stressed trees often drop their leaves before they fully develop vibrant colors, while excess rainfall can lead to fungal diseases that affect leaf color development. Climate-stressed trees often produce less vibrant autumn colors. Trees need the right balance of cool nights and sunny days to develop their most brilliant hues. When fall temperatures remain too warm, the production of red anthocyanin pigments is reduced, resulting in duller displays with more browns and yellows. Understanding how climate change affects autumn leaf displays is important for conservation efforts and tourism planning in regions known for their fall foliage. Preserving forest diversity and reducing climate change impacts will help protect this natural phenomenon for future generations. As our climate continues to change, the autumn spectacle we cherish may look quite different in the decades ahead.